Welcome to McCall's Kitchen. My name is Elisha. I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop, and I hope you guys are all enjoying the summer and sunshine that we've been having here. We are here today to make a chocolate cake together. This is so decadent, so moist, and the best part is that it's eggless. I've already got all my ingredients measured out here. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we're gonna get started on our baking. The first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be mixing all our dry ingredients together. I've got 3 cups of flour here, 2 cups of white granulated sugar, and half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, which I'm going to put together. And then we've also got 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to be mixing this together to take away any lumps and make sure that the batter is nice and smooth right before we add in our wet ingredients. When you're mixing, you want to make sure that you're getting to the bottom of the bowl as well. So you can see we've got a nice blended mix of our cocoa powder, sugar, flour, and the baking soda and salt, and now we are ready for our wet ingredients. So for our wet ingredients, we've got 2 cups of warm coffee, not hot, warm. We've got 2/3 of light olive oil, not extra virgin, light olive oil. We've got 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna combine these 2 together, and then I'm gonna be using my hand mixer to mix it so that I can get it nice and blended. Ready. We're gonna get rid of our hand mixer, and we've got 2 pans here ready to go for our batter. So our cakes are all ready for the oven. They're gonna go in for 35 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. I'm so excited to see how this turns out, and we're gonna be decorating it together. And we are back with our baked and chilled chocolate layers. They're so nice and fluffy. I really love how they turned out. I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna fill them, we're gonna stack them, and we're gonna decorate them. We're using chocolate buttercream by McCall's today and their chocolate drip, and I'm gonna add some berries and some wafers to the top. How good does this look? The buttercream and cake are just calling my name right now. I can't wait to cut into it. I'm just gonna pop it into the freezer to chill for a couple minutes before we go in with our drip and our toppings. Our cake is all ready and chilled, and we're gonna add our drip now. This is the McCall's chocolate drip. It's gonna go so well with the chocolate cake and chocolate buttercream. You wanna make sure that it's nice and chilled so that your drip goes down smoothly. How's that looking? It's looking super chocolatey and delicious to me. I'm telling you guys, I can't wait to cut into this. Now we're just gonna go in with our chocolate buttercream from McCall's, which we have in a piping bag. I'm gonna make some nice swirls on top, and then we're gonna top it off with our strawberries and wafers. Tell me you guys don't want a bite of this right now. I wish I could give you some through the screen, but you guys are gonna have to try this at home if you wanna taste it. The last thing I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of a crumb at the bottom, and then we're gonna take a nice big slice out. guys enjoyed watching this chocolate cake today and you guys have to try it at home. If you do, make sure to tag at McCall's and at Biorella Bake Shop, and we want you guys to let us know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe for more content coming, and I'm about to take a bite right now.